Hello everyone, my name is Jess and welcome to my channel. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I have 3 new DIYs that I made super easy, budget friendly, using Dollar Tree items, and I just love how these DIYs turn out, and I just hope that you like them too and that you can get inspired and get some ideas to create your own projects. So if you like it, please hit a big thumbs up, that really helps to support this channel, and make sure that you comment down below. I want to read your comments, which of these projects was your favorite, and make sure that you're subscribed and that you hit the bell to get notified every single time that I'm going to be uploading new videos. And make sure that you follow me on all my social media pages, my webpage jazomy.com, and my other channel Jazomy Home. All the links are always in the description box of every single video, so make sure that you check that, and let's get started with this DIYs. Okay, for this project I'm going to be using this ice bucket that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm pretty sure that it's new, and I really like it. I love the shape it has, but I want to change the color. I don't want this to be clear, so I'm going to be using this matte Spanish moss color that I just love. I think it has a beautiful matte finish. So I'm going to spray paint these outside. I'm going to give it 2 really good coats of paint, and then I'm going to let it dry. Once it is dry, this is how it looks, and as you can see, it looks beautiful. I just love that color. I want to add more texture to this bucket, so I'm going to be using this nautical rope from Dollar Tree, and as you can see, it's super thick. So I'm going to be separating all of the parts from the rope, and what I'm going to be doing is to start rolling and covering the handles of this ice bucket. I want them to be covered with the rope. I think it's going to add a really nice touch to it, and it also is going to add a texture and color. This step is super easy. I just have to cover all of the handles and then add hot glue on the sides to make sure that the rope is going to stick well. Next, I did the same with the other handle, and this is how the bucket looks. Now it's time to add more decoration, and this is pretty optional. I just want to make something a little bit different, make it look super cute and unique. So I'm going to be using more of these rope, and basically what I'm going to be doing is to be adding hot glue, making shapes and circles, and just creating lines in different sizes, and I don't know, it's different shapes around the bucket, and I think this is going to add a really nice touch. And recently I have been seeing so many like vases and planters with designs like these, and I really like them, and most of them are really expensive. I just want to make it myself, really pretty, using rope, which is a texture that I just love, and I think it turned out amazing. You can do the same, making any shape, any design on your bucket if you want. Now it's time to add these, it's like dried flowers that I saw on Dollar Tree. I think they are also new. I never see these before, and I think they are just so pretty. I love them. So I'm going to be using these, and I'm going to add them to my bucket. I actually got 4 of these packages of like dried flowers, and I'm going to be adding all of them inside of my bucket. You can also use this bucket to add a blanket inside, flowers if you want, greenery, book. I think you can use it for so many things to decorate your house, and it's going to add a really nice touch to any space. And it also is a very unique piece that you can do using this ice bucket that you can get from Dollar Tree that is new, and it has so many possibilities. This is just an idea, and I hope that you like it. For the next DIY, I'm going to be using this high cloche dome. I think that's how you pronounce that, I'm not sure, but anyways, I found these at the Dollar Tree and I have seen these before, but a little bit smaller. This is a little bit bigger and I really like it. Now I want to change the bottom part, the base. I wanted to make this piece look more high-end, so I actually found these candle holder at Dollar Tree, and it has like a cement vase and I really like it, and these actually fit perfectly with the dome. So I'm going to be using that for the base, and then if you want to add some height to make it look super cool, you can do that with maybe with these wooden caps. I get them I think from Walmart, but you can also use wooden beads if you want, and you can add them with hot glue on the bottom part of the cement vase. Next, you just have to decorate these. You can add a succulent inside, and once I did that, this is how my project turned out and I really like it. You can also add maybe lights if you want, and now I really think that has that high end. Nobody's going to know that this is from Dollar Tree. For the next DIY, I'm going to be using these bath mats that you can get from Dollar Tree, and I really like them because like the bottom part is super cute to make so many things. You can do some throw pillows, super cute. Actually, this time I want to make like a puff. So for that, you're going to need 5, but I highly recommend getting 6 of these mats. And what you want to do first is that you want to attach 4 of these mats together with hot glue on the sides, making sure that you put them all together really nice, really good, that the hot glue works well and nothing like breaks. I actually have been made so many throw pillows, before using hot glue, and they work so good. I have no problems with these. Maybe you can use like a fabric glue or something like that if you have it, but I think if you use hot glue, it's going to be fine. Once I stick my 4 mats together, I need to cut them all in the same size. If you want to make a puff, you need it to be like in a square shape. So these mats are rectangles, so you need to cut them to have that square shape. Now it's time to add the top part of this puff, and you're going to need another mat, and then you just have to stick all of the sides, making sure that it's going to look like a cube. Now that I stick 5 of these mats together, you can put it on the right side, and this is how the puff is going to start looking. And now it's time to fill the puff, and you can use anything that you have. You can use blankets. I decided to use some old throw pillows, and I put them inside of the puff. And now you can use another of these mats to basically did the bottom part of the puff, but I have tried to find another one of these mats and I never saw one, so I decided just to leave it as it is, to don't put anything on the bottom and just like add some glue, and that works for me because anytime that I want to use or like reuse or remove any throw pillow from this puff, I can do that. I know that this is not perfect, but I actually like it, and nobody's going to saw that bottom part of my puff, so that's okay with me. Now I want to add something extra to give it a nice touch, so I decided to use some youth cord from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be making 4 of these tassels. You can use your fingers to measure or anything that you have, and then you just have to roll all of these and make your tassels. It's super simple. I did 4 tassels to be able to add one on each side on the top of the puff, and then I'm going to be sticking them with hot glue. Okay, once I was done, this is how this project turned out, and I really like it. I decided to add these to the living room that I just did a makeover. You can watch that video. It's in my other channel, Jazomy home. I'm going to leave you the link in the description box. But anyways, guys, I just love how this turned out. I think it works perfect on my living room. It turned out so inexpensive on a budget and with a high-end look. And I just hope that you like and enjoy all of the DIYs that I made in today's video. So please, if you like them, give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support this channel. And make sure that you comment down below which of these projects was your favorite. Make sure that you are subscribed, that you hit the bell, and that you share this video with friends and family. Remember to follow me on all my social media pages, and see you on my next video. I'm going to be uploading a new video this Sunday, and you need to watch that video. It's so cool with so many hacks. So make sure that you are subscribed, and see you in the next video. Mwah! Bye guys.